I'm Cookie, I'm 19, and I play tight head prop for the Cardiff Met Women's RFC. So when I was younger, I was a very active, energetic child, and I grew up in a very athletic home. I was put into really any sport from football and soccer to like gymnastics and dance, and I think that I was a very wild card child. I liked doing a lot of creative things, but I was also just very athletic and loved sport in general. I think that the main thing that's made me fall in love with rugby was the culture and how you can hit the absolute heck out of each other on the field, and then you can be best friends with them for really the rest of your life. There's so many opportunities that come with it, and I've met so many people from everywhere, and they are some of my closest friends. The first time I heard about it was when EC committed to coming here, and I look up to her a lot. She was my captain for my high school team, and I wanted to really just be like her, so I was like, ooh, that's going to be something I want to do. And then in 2022, I went to Ireland with ERA, Eagle Impact Rugby Academy, and there was a coach, Di Morgan, and he expressed a lot of interest in me and met, and he expressed a lot of interest in me checking it out and really pursuing it. So I came and visited the following fall and really fell for it. I was like, this is where I want to be. I think a couple of different things. Definitely very different with just how normal rugby is here. I don't know how else to express that, just because I think it's just very different from America. You can walk up to anybody and they'll know what it is, or likely have played it at some point in their life. And I think that's just really cool. And then socially, the staff, the girls, our coaches, everybody is just incredible. I have so much love for this team and this program in general at Met. If you want to experience a completely different just culture and way of life, both in rugby and out of it, this is definitely it. The rugby culture here is unlike anything I've ever experienced, so I think that it's an experience that should be shared. Be an archer.